a bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this leader is a 3-way redfish rig. If you can't, it was part of the initial cast right there, but you can see how much abuse is happening to the leaders as they are sitting on the bottom in a high current area. But as you can tell, I wasn't using a surf weight, I was using a pyramid. And that's going to lead me to our next video, which I'll be able to have a lot better footage there. But in here you can see how much commotion and chaos is going on down at the bottom, as you did the original video with the redfish. I mean, they came in for a split second, you saw them, and then they're gone. And it allowed me to slow down the video so where you can see it and stuff like that. But what trips me out more is that how it gets calm and then it picks right back up again, and then the fish move in and then they're gone again right after that. And actually that was a picture of my bait fish right there. You see the hook hanging out of him and stuff like that, and the perch came right up to him. So it's pretty crazy. I mean, to see all this commotion going on in a matter of minutes, and this is real time, no fast forwarding, no slowing down, unless there's something in the camera that I want you to catch or see. Just like when the fish come up to the lens and stuff like that, I want us to both enjoy what's actually happening at the same time. So here you go guys, this, like I said, this is gonna be a whole nother part and selection of our videos, just showing you the amount of stuff we don't know what happens underneath the water surface. And here it is, first-hand experience by the camera, so you can see what's actually going on. I mean, it is crazy down there.